Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Workshop brand, their wet dry vac shop vacuum accessory replacement hose. It's for 2.5 inches, which is pretty much industry standard for a lot of vacuum cleaners. It's also for mine that I use. And it's 7 feet and it's dual flex locking for most wet dry vac shotgun cleaners. Now this product gets excellent customer ratings and has 180-degree flexibility at both ends and includes 3 adapters. So let's just take a look at what they're talking about. One of these ends already is attached when you get it shipped, and you can see that it allows rotation. This is going to be your 2.5-inch adapter. They also include another one of these that you could put in to the other end. And they give you that option. They didn't install that. So when you put this in, take a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften this up, and then go clockwise, and this will thread inside there and then rotate. They also give 2 other adapters. This one right here can go in and rotate, and then it has a clip. Every vacuum cleaner is a little different. This is kind of universal. Give it a try for your vacuum cleaner, your setup. Then they have this one right here, which also goes in and rotates, and then it has a clip, and then it has this end piece on there. Now I'm not sure what this is for because this has threads on there, but my guess is it allows you to put another hose on there, but it also has this locking tab. So every application is different. They're being generous, giving you 3 different ones and having one already attached, because every vacuum cleaner and every setup is unique. I wanted to show something on the both end pieces. This is already pre-installed at 180 degrees. You can see that they changed the ratio, the lines per inch. It gets more dense right here. And all of these things have expansion capability and compression. I mean, if you look at that, including the hose itself. So this is very rigid, very good quality. It's matching what is on my vacuum cleaner, my original hose. But look at that flex, that's really nice. That allows you to have more flexibility right on the end of this. So after testing, what do you think about the Workshop? Their wet dry vac shop vacuum accessory replacement hose, 2.5 inch by 7 feet with those 3 adapters. This is an excellent product. Just take the time to get it to work for your setup. And as I showed, it's very flexible and good quality and thick material. So you're going to love this. It's great to have an accessory like this. Sometimes you need it for your application and your workshop. This is great. So I agree with the other customers. That's why they gave it a high rating. I'm going to give this also a high rating of a 5-star. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.